Hello, my name is Claudia Gonzalez, and this is my story. When I think about my elementary school years, I always remember my physical education teacher. Her name was America. She was tall, she was lean, and she was very funny. We always did activities in the school yard, running around the basketball court, playing soccer, and picking up that we saw. One day she wanted to do a different activity than what we were used to. She took us to the pool to practice swim. I didn't know used to swim and was very scared to enter the water. A very mean classmate pushed me into the water and I almost drowned. Since then, I don't like pools.